Your energy is your primary resource to be, to do, to have everything you want in life. Take just a second and picture your best life. Seriously, take a moment and picture your best life. Welcome, this is Sheri Traxler with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. If you're new here, big welcome to you. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to click subscribe and the little bell. And those of you who are joining me again in this energy series, I'm so glad that you're sticking through this because we're going to go through so many things to help your energy. We've talked about sleep. We've talked about stress. Now we're going to talk about eating a powerful plate mindfully, and are there any nutrition hacks for your energy? Diving in, let's go ahead and kill that energy hack falsehood, because there aren't really any food hacks for energy. Caffeine, yes, but it comes at a price. So if you're looking for any special diet, any special silver bullet food to help you with your energy, really there's not any. Caffeine is the only one in the research that's been shown, but the price that you pay for that is it spikes your adrenaline in a bad way, so you end up with drained energy later, as well as interrupting sleep. So nothing wrong if you want to have, a cup of coffee or, a cup of green tea or anything like that. But if you're living on caffeine to give you energy, it is backfiring. Now, what do you do for a powerful plate specific to energy? Well, a powerful plate really is all about energy, and I'll link that in the notes below. But for a powerful plate for energy, really just think about keeping your blood sugar stable. What are the foods that help you stabilize your blood sugar, and what are the foods that don't? And you know this, you know how to listen to your body intuitively of what foods give you quick energy and then you crash, and what are the ones that either by themselves or in combination give you sustained energy. Let's talk about a special twist on this though, and that is mindfully eating. Because when you eat mindfully, you do several things. Your actions teach you what to believe. You've heard me say this. When you eat mindfully, that action is telling yourself, I'm not stressed. I must have enough time to take 10 minutes to eat without having to multitask. Your actions teach you what to believe, so that eating mindfully lets you know, I'm worth taking the time to eat a meal mindfully, not having to rush through it, not having to multitask while I'm eating it. Also, when you do not eat mindfully, when you're multitasking and eating, research shows us, we've talked about this as well, you eat 10% more calories. Guess what that leads to from an energy standpoint? When you overeat, it increases your sense of tiredness. So let's put this together. There aren't any special foods to help you. Sorry. If you're going to have caffeine, have it, but don't rely on it. Eat mindfully a powerful plate so that you reinforce a calm mindset. Now, I'm going to take one last little journey with that. It's not just that the action of mindfully eating teaches you I'm worth it, teaches you that I have the time for this. Mindfulness in itself calms you, and that in the long run is going to give you more energy. We're going to be talking about that next time. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you've not already done so, and find your path, fulfill your potential.